Hello King's men, new gadgets come up every year, making our life way easier than before. Technology has advanced a lot in recent years for us, and for our soldiers too. In this video, you are going to see the top 5 futuristic gadgets designed for the army. That will make you believe that the future is here. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Gravity jet suit. Have you ever fantasized about the flying Iron Man suit? Finally, the wait is over. This flying suit from Gravity Industries includes 5 mini jet engines with 1050 horsepower each. It can fly you at a speed of freaking 50 miles an hour. Sounds awesome, right? This is specially designed for military and police operations and surgical strikes. Let me know in the comments if you would like to have one. Car arrest system. Stopping criminals in a car is way more difficult than you might think. There have been many cases of the suspect running away in a fast vehicle, leaving the police deserted. It can be even dangerous if you try to stop it from the front. Don't worry, the car arrest system is at the rescue. This mechanism helps to arrest cars. Yeah, you heard it right. Literally, arrest cars. Let me explain how it works. You just need to install this mechanism at the front of the car. And while in the pursuit, the police car just needs to come a bit closer to the suspect's car so that the mechanism touches the back wheel. And there you go, the arrest mechanism is triggered, and the rope gets wrapped around the wheel, making it stop and preventing the car from moving any further. Isn't that cool? Like the video if you are enjoying it. Helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people. TIKAD drone. This might be one of the most needed inventions in this video. As we all know, wars come with a lot of casualties, and that is the problem this drone is solving. This is a war drone with fully AI-powered cameras and can carry different guns. Making it practically possible to infiltrate and neutralize enemy targets without any casualties. A soldier can control it from far away, ultimately making this a weapon for the tomorrow war. An army of these drones can practically act as a small army to infiltrate an enemy's hideout without physical encounter and no casualties. FLYBOARD Air. The next gadget on the list is the FLYBOARD Air. Everyone had a dream of owning a hoverboard after watching Ben 10 or reading some cool sci-fi story from school textbooks. The wait is over. The FLYBOARD Air is a real-life hoverboard. It can fly you at a speed of 150 kilometers an hour. Isn't that fantastic? At a single charge, it runs for 10 minutes, but the company is constantly improving the efficiency and battery of the future models. Making it suitable for real-life uses, like commuting to your office in the air, when everyone is stuck in the traffic honking the horns on each other. Make sure to subscribe to us for more such amazing videos, and press the notification bell if you want to be the first one to know about these new gadgets before anyone else. ROBOTEAM tactical robot. Number 5 on the list is this army robot. Specially designed for surveillance and rescue missions. There are many instances when unnecessary casualties are caused due to a new environment. The troops are said to be more vulnerable in an unknown environment than known ones. This robot helps in decreasing casualties in a way more innovative way. It is equipped with 360-degree security cameras as well, so that it records everything around it, giving a way better understanding of the area to the soldiers. It can travel through tunnels, run on rugged surfaces, and have supporting arms as well, which helps it escape the area in case it is stuck or needs to climb up through a very narrow channel. And the best part is it can also carry a small gun over its head that can be triggered remotely as well, so it can be also used to neutralize the enemy without any physical contact. Like this video if you want a part 2.